So to replace the globes on a Hiace, we need some replacement globes and a screwdriver, and that's all. Hopefully you don't have as much rust as me. It's one screw here, and then there'll be another screw. It's sort of hard to see, but just in that spot in there. So you can see I've taken out this first screw now. With the second one, if possible, loosen it off enough so that it's undone, but still just sitting in there, because it's difficult to get in there unless you've got like a magnet tipped screwdriver or something. But once you've got those undone, come around the front and you'll be able to just slide this forwards. Now unclip your indicator wiring. See, firstly, all the rust that I've got in my van, but secondly, that little wiring loom that connects into the back of the headlight. So we need to undo that first. Now next off, there's this rubber boot that needs to come off, and that will just pull off. So it looks like that. And when you put it back on, make sure that you've got the top up the top so that the water drains out. Next you'll see that shiny metal ring in there. Let's get some light on it. So the shiny metal ring, that's what locks your globe in. So you undo that by twisting it counterclockwise. And as you pull that out, you can also pull your globe out. And that's the ring. So the ring faces, so the open face is to the front of the van. So let's get a new globe. That's the other side. I've already replaced that one. This one. Alright, so pretty straightforward. The thicker one faces straight up to towards the top when you go to put back in, and trying not to touch that globe because the oils on your fingers will create hot spots. Globe sitting in there. We've got a little metal ring, so the open face forwards, and we'll carefully pop that on and twist clockwise. That's in. Rubber going back on, so remembering top up the top and the drain down the bottom. So that just pushes back on. And then last but not least, the connector can go back on. So that electrical connector. And then all that's left to do is pop this back on, so clip it back on, try and line up all of these little knobs so that it clips back together nicely, and then you've got your two screws going into the back, and then you will be all done.